Hello guys, welcome to English Reading and Writing. In today's lesson in grammar, we will see the indefinite articles a and an, and we will see the use of each one of them, in addition to the use of the in general. Before we start, we have to know that there are vowels in English. Vowels are, first we have A, E, I, O, and U. These are called vowels. And we also have consonants. Consonants are the other letters like B, C, D, F, etc. All these letters are called consonants. A is used with words that start with a vowel. So whenever there is a word that starts with a vowel, we should use an. A is used with words that start with a consonant. But there are exceptions in English. Exceptions like, for example, if the first letter is a vowel in a word and it is pronounced like yeah, this sound of yeah, we use A instead of an. For example, we have this U here, it's pronounced yeah. A university, a university. Another example, a user, a user. Another one, a union, a union. We have to consider a and an with silent letters. In English, there are silent letters. A silent letter is a letter that is written in a word, but it's not read. So we write some letters in English, but we don't read them. We have examples. For example, this is 1 hour. An hour. We say an hour. Why? We have used an because in the word we have hour. Hour. This is O, which is a vowel. That's why we have used an, because this H is silent. This H in this word hour is silent. That's why we have used an instead of a, an hour. This, an honest student. An honest student. Again, we have H as the first word in this adjective, but we don't read it. We have an, then we have honest student. So this is the vowel that we read, and H is silent. So that's all about a and an. Now let us see a plus nouns. For example, a bus, a camera, a disc, a pen. Now an plus nouns. An apple, an elephant, an umbrella, an igloo. The plus nouns. Now let us see the use of the. Generally speaking, the is used with only one of something. Like the sun, we have got only one sun. The sun, that's why we have used the sun. The sky, the moon, the sea. The second general use of the, it's used with specific things. When we use things for the first time and the second time. For example, it is a car. The first we have used a car. If we want to talk again about the car, we will use the, because we know which car we are talking about. The car is red, so now we have used the. The car is red. Another example, they are birds. They are birds. We are talking about these birds in the picture. The birds are yellow. We have used the because we know which birds we are talking about. The birds are yellow. And that's all concerning the use of a, an, and the. See you with another lesson.